The Seng Kynthei Jaiaw Langsning Shillong had organised a food festival on the 8th of October 2022 at the locality. Apart from food items, a jumble sale was also organised where residents of Jaiaw Langsning and neighbouring localities and passersby had extended their support to the event, which was specially organised to raise funds towards the year-long Golden Jubilee celebration of the Seng Kynthei Jaiaw Langsning, which will commence in November this year. Also lending support to the women's organisation was the Dorbar Shnong and Seng Samla Jaiaw Langsning, wherein much fun was added to the event through various games and entertainment activities.